Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the problem. Many dates are actually text. Use istext or glance for a leading apostrophe. Once done, check Excel and Windows regional settings so Excel interprets day/month order correctly. Next, select the column and use data right arrow text to columns with date YMD or the value function to coerce strings into date serial numbers. Make sure to preview. If it shows numbers like 44,561, you're on track. This sets up the real format change. Once text is numeric, handle mixed input with formulas. Date combined with left, mid, right, or date value when Excel recognizes the layout. If cells look numeric but won't format, multiply by 1 or use paste special right arrow multiply with a 1 in a blank cell to force conversion. Make sure to convert formulas to values if needed. After conversion, select cells and apply a consistent date format or a custom YIMMDD so everyone sees the same ordering across workbooks. Finish by checking for higher precedence overrides. Conditional formatting, table styles, or pivot table settings can force formats back. If formats revert after refresh, inspect Power Query or VBA that may reapply formatting. Edit the query or macro to preserve date format. Also clean data with trim and clean to remove zero width or non-breaking spaces, and re-import CSV using the correct encoding and date column types. If one stubborn cell resists, retype it. Excel can be picky about hidden characters.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.